Hi, beefers. It's such a rainy day out. Beefy. Beef. Mr. Beefy. Are we gonna go to the car? Do you want to go to the car, my beef? Hey. Come on, my beef. Come on. Okay, beefers. We totally forgot to pick up Sky a new food bowl yesterday, so time to go grab something from Petsmart. But it's a yucky rainy day. Almost there, beef. Mom, fix your hut, baby. Mom, fix your hut. There you go, beef. There you go. Come on, beef. Beefy, are you coming? Let's go. All the doggies are losing their mind, eh, beef? You can't even be bothered. Okay, beef, are you ready? Mother? Are you a sleepy, beef? Are you going for a nap? Are you just done with this miserably wet day? That's okay, beef. Back to the car, beef.